coaching thought for the day. I am taking another idea from the book When by Daniel Pink, and it's the idea of one really important way to help people feel like part of a team is to share stories of struggle. I think that's really important for us as coaches too, that if we are the person who, seemed like we never struggled as a classroom teacher, well, first, that's probably a lie. But second, I don't think that people really want to learn from you and to work with you if you don't share some of your struggles that you had as a classroom teacher. I know that personally, I don't like working with coaches who always come in and just tell me all the things that they did in their own classroom. To me, that personally is an obnoxious trait of an instructional coach who takes on that role. But I do think that there is value in sharing some of your successes, but also some of your struggles. So I think that that's something we can hold on to as instructional coaches and remember what it was like to be a first-year teacher again, what it was like when you tried something new and it did not succeed right away. Those are some of the stories that we can tell our teachers as we are coaching them to help encourage them and help them to feel part of a team. Also, if you are coaching a team that has new members on it, it would probably be beneficial as well to make sure that if they have gone through some big initiative, make sure that they are sharing their stories of struggle with the new team members also. So they don't just think that everything came to be, magically, so that they can hear some of the struggle and some of the steps that were gone through and tried to get to the place where they are. So hopefully that's an idea that can help build some culture and help people feel part of teams.